Okay, so today I am in White House Black Market's dressing rooms, and I want you to see how their dressing rooms are. Okay, remember I told you how some of those dressing rooms is on the scale of 1 to 10, they would be a negative 54. Okay, this is a really good area back here, so I'm gonna pop this video over and let you see White House Black Market here in Fox City. So if you haven't shopped White House Black Market, you should. They have classic clothes for all ages, all styles, and a variety of sizes. Okay, so don't forget to stop in, all right? And if you sign up for their club, you'll receive birthday gift cards as well as other discounts when you come in on frequent basis. Usually something every month drops. I'm like waiting on my coupons now. Also discounts at Soma as well as Chico's because they're all affiliated brands. So that being said, if I was going to give a rating to White House Black Market's dressing rooms, I would give them about an 8. And I'm going to tell you why, because they have an area for you to sit. The lighting is really well, and then you can come out. And then there's a place for you to put your stuff when you go in there. Like, you know how you go in certain dressing rooms who shall remain nameless? You don't even have anything but 2 hooks in there if you get that. All right, so now you're going to take a look at this dressing rooms, and you're going to see what I mean about what's happening here at White House Black Market. Okay, so you see, I'm going to pan this phone. So you can see what's happening in here, right? You see this big old mirror out here, like something you will want to have in your house. And then the dressing rooms. So that's one of the reasons why you want to shop at White House Black Market, okay? Hope y'all got all that. See you later. Bye.